Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube video. So today's video is going to be about hair coloring at home. So today we'll be trying out a no bleach hair color, जिसका मतलब है कि आपको वो शेड अचीव करने के लिए अपने बालों को ब्लीच नहीं करना पड़ेगा. So last time I got this color, it was actually red, done from outside, but now it's kind of faded. This time I am going to be trying out hair color at home. So today we'll be trying out the Paradyes glossy hair tint in the shade Expresso Brown. No bleach is required for this and it's visible on black hair as well in case you have black hair. Mine is like semi brownish now. Yeah, it also comes with no PPD, no ammonia and no resorcinol. So yeah, it's like really good for your hair. If not good, it's not bad. Yeah, this package comes with a brush, a glossy color cream, developer, anti-fade conditioner and a conditioner to use after coloring your hair, and a pair of gloves, and obviously the most important thing, the manual. So the steps are fairly simple. We just need to put on our gloves and section our hair into 4 parts. Then we are going to be emptying the color cream and the developer into a bowl, and we'll be mixing it and applying it evenly. And after 30 to 35 minutes, I guess 30 to 45 minutes, we can wash it off. I am using this disposable bowl. You can utilize whatever you want. I will throw this off, that's why I want something which if ruined, I don't care. And also please remember to not wear a very new t-shirt, or maybe like a dark color t-shirt, because it may stain your t-shirt. So first let's begin by wearing our gloves. So we have almost emptied the glossy hair cream. I'm not planning to color my hair from the roots till the bottom, so I think this much is enough. I still have some here, but I'm not going to be using it. And now we are going to mix almost utna hi developer. It just looks like chocolate. This is how my hair looks now. Bye bye, same here. So if you are going for the roots, it's recommended to put some moisturizer, cream, Vaseline on your forehead. But since I am not going that high, I'm going to keep it from here. So I don't think so I need that. We're going to be waiting till 30 minutes and I'll meet you back. And there is the you should be washing your hair with a sulfate-free shampoo. Hi everyone, welcome back to after I washed my hair. Actually, I am making this video now after like 15 days of coloring my hair. I'm really sorry I couldn't shoot that day because the light actually went off. So I would love to show you how the color came on. अभी तो इतने सारे दिन हो गए हैं, but the color is just beautiful. And I think जहाँ जिस पैटर्न में भी मैं चाहती थी, जहाँ जहाँ मैंने कलर किया था, वहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छे से आया है कलर, if you see. And I think it is the best. जब मैंने पहली बार कलर कराया था तो मैंने एक पार्लर 1 सालों से कराया था and it was pretty expensive. So अगर आप भी कुछ अपने पैसे बचाना चाहते हैं, so this is like really good. I think around 500 something, 500-600 में कुछ बॉक्स आ जाता है and I think you can easily color your hair. And अगर आपको सिर्फ इतने ही करने हैं तो आधा पैकेट भी नहीं लगता है. उस दिन मैंने ज़्यादा कलर मिक्स कर लिया था. So in case you want to like achieve the same look, I think, और आपके बाल मेरे ही जितने लंबे हैं तो आपको हाफ बॉक्स यूज़ करने की नीड है. So you can do it twice or maybe do it on your friend or somebody. And if I talk in terms of damage, so I think what I have observed is that बहुत डिफरेंस नहीं आता है in terms of the hair quality and everything. Might feel कि थोड़ा बहुत dryness है, but just because of color करोगे तो that much is expected. And overall the experience is like really good. It's been 15 days and the color is still like this, so give it a try. I think it's really good. And if all this information has helped you, please subscribe to my channel. And in case you have any other questions regarding the same procedure or anything regarding this color, feel free to comment and I will answer your questions. Thank you. Bye bye.